Okay, guys, in this class, we work with one of the most important basic steps is 3-3, but we do the variation. Remember, when you create the variation, you have millions of opportunity, different ways of variation. You can create with one step, and around variations, you can create a big sequence. Okay, so we have 3 different variations of the 3-3. In a combination, we start with the fundamental turn and lead turn is cross with a left turn plus a small sequence, but it's so important for the technique of salsa technique. You understand the feet of the ladies with in the cross with the left turn. So let's do it. First variation of 3-3, we cross with our left, open, we go back, we switch the weight, we open with our right, back, we move forward, we switch the weight, and we finish at 8. This is 1, 2, 3, variation number 1, really slow. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic step. Remember, you need two times to switch your weights, but it's different numbers because first one is 1, 2, switch your weight, and 5, 6, switch your weight, 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay, so 1, 2, first variation, 5, 6, 7, small steps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time, first variation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Second variation, you cross with your 1 and you work with your right. You cross with your 5 and you work with your left. That's it. 1, 2. Second variation, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Second variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Second variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Perfect. The variation number 3 is a classic 3-3 with 4 and 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1. Easy. First, second, and third variation. 1, 2, first one, 5, 6, 7. Forward and back, back and forward. Basic. 1, 2, second, 5, 6, 7. Cross, right side, cross, left side. Basic. 3-3 with 4 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Second one, variation and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Third variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ladies?
Ladies, this variation of 3-3 is so good for start to work the coordination of the arm. So we go to see slow 3 variation. First variation, look my arm. I switch the combination. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I work like the 4-4 step that we work in the last class. So I do switch, switch, and I stay with my arm and switch again at the end. Basic. In the second one variation is the same like 4-4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And in the last variation we have switch, switch, and stay. Switch, switch, and stay. Switch, switch, and stay. Switch, switch, and stay. And I come back in the basic. So it's good for start to work with normal coordination in the basic, mixed with the contraposition of the arm and the chest. Okay? With the music.
Basic. 1, 2, 3. First variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Second variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Third variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, and.
Basic 1. First variation. Go. Basic. Second variation. Go.
1.
Third variation. Go.
4. Stay. Stay.
Basic.
And 1.
First variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Second variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Third variation. Go.
And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
One more time. First variation. Go. Second variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Third variation. Go.
1, 2, 3, and 1.
All right. Partner work. Do you remember when we do at the first class cross and we say, ladies, 1, 2, 3, 5 is forward, and on all the time you go 5 forward, your body go to the left side. This is a fundamental. This is a rule in the salsa world, okay? So we have cross with the left turn. So guys, you need to do a good 5 and 5, 6, 7, and she understand better the left turn. So this is a rule for the salsa world. 5 forward for her to go to the left. And go to the left. 5, 6, 7. Watch my hand. This position, I don't move, I don't go down, I don't go up. I stay here and I start my right turn, front of her. 1 and 3. Preparation at the same level to do single turn for her. When she starts the turn, I close my turn to the right. I go down with the hand and I switch the hand back of me. This is 5, 6, 7. Similar, sombrero, paseala, and whatever. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, left. 5, guys, right. 1, 2, ladies, and guys, switch your hand.
Ladies, look at the step because this is so important. This is a fundamental of the salsa technique.
Style, yes.
1, 2, 3, I do step on 5, step on 6, 7, I'm here because I did the last step. 8 and 1, 2, 3, I go directly to the basic. I don't close the feet and start again in the basic. I continues with the salsa rhythm. Okay, so try to do with me. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, step. 1, 2, 3. And this 1, 2, 3 is the preparation for the turn to the right. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we have crossbody lean with left turn. Faster right turn, but I don't cut the salsa rhythm. I continues with my 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 all the time.
On the top, 5, 6, ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Preparation of half butterfly, same
1, 2,
we did
3.
before. 5, 6, 7. Now the end is different. She go to do a right turn. I go to do a left turn at the same time of her right turn. So my right hand don't switch the position. Stay in this position and imagine you have a plate here and you go to up her head with the plate and go to the left when she go to the right. So it's you turn together, but the lead is here, up her head. This is so important because if you don't do this, she don't understand and you turn by yourself. And you need to turn with her, so it's about her, the turn.
First.
All right? From the beginning?
From the beginning.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
Basic
1,
and
2,
prepare.
3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Ladies, very important. We have turn in this combination, so all the time, for don't lose the balance, try to see the guys, okay? Use the spot all the time. And at the end we can put a normal carezia.
Dove?
La fine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Carezia with the left for come back in basic, because here we have space for put, okay? With the music.
Musica!
1, 2, 3. Hola, only.
1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
Caricia.
1.
No sé si volverá Maradona, ni si Tyson no
Basic.
su pena.
5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, preparation. Together.
No sé a qué distancia está la luna.
Remember, your arm really straight up of your head. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. One more. 5, 6. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.